So a few weeks ago, I built a license plate guitar and I posted some photos of it on social media. Well, it wasn't long after that I would get stuff like somebody would say, "Hey Dave, I got some old license plates, send me your address and I'll send them to you." And just like that, because of some very generous people, I went from having a few license plates that I'd collected over the years to, holy cow, look at all those license plates. So to try and pay it forward, I've decided I'm going to give away a few license plate guitars. I will be doing a live random drawing on the CNC with Dave Gatton show on June 22nd. The YouTube live stream starts at 8 p.m. Eastern, and to see how to enter the drawing, please visit the website. There will be a link below down in the video description. So if you'd like to win a license plate guitar like this, or like this one, or like this one, well, you get the idea. Head on over to the website link down below and get your entry in. I want to thank all of the people that have given me their old license plates. I never would have had a chance of reaching my goal of building a license plate guitar from all 50 US states without their help. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching and good luck in the drawing.